A layout like you've never seen before might sound like a bold claim, but in this case, it actually fits. Meet the Jitterbug, officially known as the Retro R136, a small travel trailer that blends a funky retro vibe with surprisingly modern comfort. This little camper comes from Sunset Park RV and is part of their brand new retro series for 2026. It's compact, lightweight, and designed to be easy to tow, but don't let its size fool you. It can sleep up to 4 people and still offers all the essentials you'd want for a cozy getaway without costing a fortune. The retro lineup itself includes 4 different floor plans, all sharing that vintage-inspired look both inside and out. But the Jitterbug stands out as one of the smallest models. And interestingly, it's the one that stays closest to its original design roots from when Riverside RV first introduced it. Now under Sunset Park, it's been refined with better finishes, a redesigned kitchen, and a bit more personality. Even at first glance, the design is hard to miss. It has this unique shape that almost looks like a mini gooseneck trailer, giving it a distinctive silhouette. Inside, you'll typically find naughty pine cabinetry, checkered flooring, and bright, playful color options. It's got that retro charm, but you can also opt for a more modern look with graphite-style finishes, if that's more your style. The trailer measures just over 16.5 feet long and sits on a single axle, with a lightweight build that makes towing pretty manageable for many vehicles. Despite that compact size, the layout is cleverly designed to make the most of every inch. One of the coolest features is the loft area tucked into that raised front section. You get there using a foldable metal ladder, and once you're up, there's a cozy sleeping space with a shorter queen bed, outlets, USB ports, and reading lights. It's a snug little nook that feels surprisingly functional. Right below the loft, there's a booth dinette with colorful retro-style upholstery that usually matches the trailer's exterior. This space doubles as another sleeping area when converted, which is how the Jitterbug manages to accommodate up to 4 people. Storage is thoughtfully built into the design, with compartments under the dinette benches and even behind one of them. There's also a countertop extension that adds extra workspace in the kitchen, which is a big plus because the kitchen itself is quite compact. Even so, it comes well equipped. You get a 2-burner gas cooktop, a sink with covers, a microwave, and a surprisingly roomy 12-volt fridge with a freezer. There's storage above and below the counters, and it's clear the designers really tried to make every bit of space count. Across from the kitchen, there's another counter with even more storage, including a large drawer. And here's a fun surprise. You'll also find a built-in fireplace, which is not something you'd expect in a trailer this size. The bathroom is another standout feature. It's a full dry bath, positioned at an angle near the entry. Inside, you get a proper shower with a surround, a porcelain toilet, and a small sink with storage. For such a compact trailer, that's pretty impressive. When it comes to features, the Jitterbug is well equipped right out of the box. It includes a furnace, a gas-electric water heater, a 100-watt solar panel, tinted windows, and a power awning. You also get stabilizer jacks, a power tongue jack, and decent tank capacities for fresh, gray, and black water. On the outside, there are even more practical touches like fold-up steps, an outdoor shower, power outlets, a propane tank cover, and a fully walkable roof. You can also add upgrades like extra solar or batteries depending on your needs. Overall, the Jitterbug manages to pack a lot into a very small footprint. It's fun, a little quirky, and surprisingly capable as a complete RV setup. Pricing will vary depending on options and dealers, but it generally lands somewhere around the $22,000 mark, making it a pretty appealing option for anyone looking to hit the road in style without going overboard on cost.